Hi everyone, welcome to English is Easy with RB. My name is Rajdeep Banerjee. We will have a look at its meaning and its use in sentences, but first I would like you to learn its pronunciation. There are three vowel sounds in this word: a, 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 k, nun, drum. A, 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 k, nun, drum. The stress is on the second syllable, which means we'll put emphasis on that syllable. Conundrum, conundrum. It means a problem that is difficult to deal with. Let's have a look at a few examples. Finding a cure for a new disease is one of the most difficult conundrums for scientists. We'll have to get rid of all the political and religious conundrums before it's too late. Okay, I hope you got to learn something new. Until next time, this is RB signing off.